Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change your PayPal business account and switch it back to a personal PayPal account. Alright, so here's the thing. PayPal doesn't let you directly downgrade a business account to a personal one. According to PayPal's official help center, business accounts can't be converted. Instead, you'll have to create a new personal account. Now, if you don't mind using a different email, just go to paypal.com, click on sign up, and select personal account. Fill out your info and you're good to go. But if you want to use the same email address, you'll need to close your business account first. To do that, log in, click your profile or the gear icon, go to account settings, and then open account preferences. Scroll down and click on close account. PayPal will ask you to confirm. Just click OK. But sometimes, if you have pending balances or disputes, it might say you can't close it right now. In that case, just contact PayPal support. You can find the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page in Chum. You can either message them through the Resolution Center or call them directly. Once your business account is fully closed, you can go ahead and create your new personal account with that same email. And that's it. That's how you switch your PayPal business account back to a personal one. Super simple once you know how it works. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.